Hey guys, sanibona. Uzwelakhe finally paid lobola for Bahumi, and I know that if you're a fan of Kwababa, you're excited about this because we all wanted this to happen. I'm really glad that it finally happened. But the main question now is Uzwelakhe gonna be able to finish the journey ahead? Because to me, it looks so steep. Which is what I wanna talk about here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my past videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now, what you are looking at on your screen right now are faces of the Mkhize family after finalizing the lobola negotiations with the Mtaungs. Okusho ukuthi Uzwelakhe is officially umkhwenyana wakaMtaung and uBahumi is officially umakoti wakaMkhize. Lili. But akupheli lapho lo lili because the journey ahead is so steep, as I've mentioned at the beginning of this video. Look, we have an obstacle eUmhlaba. I know that you guys are probably trusting uMhlaba, believing what he has changed and everything. Mina, I'm thinking ukuthi immediately when uMhlaba finds out ukuthi Uzwelakhe awuyena wakaMkhize, like ethola neconfession Uzwelakhe, as much as it defended Uzwelakhe ubaba wakhe, but I think ukuthi should he find out ukuthi Uzwelakhe awuyena ubonga ngempela, he'll try and claim his position in the family business athi hayi phela imini omdala mina indlela efaka kaMkhize. Ungawuyena yedwa uMhlaba kusakhona no-obstacle umusa inkinga obvious now ukuthi ibhizinisi likaKhitho wakhe leli and I'm Khitho wakhe's firstborn, so this is my business automatically uzolifuna la and uzokwenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi Uzwelakhe loses everything. Siyazi bekumnandi lapha nomlobolela nayo yonke lonto leyo, but I know for a fact ukuthi uzozama ukumlwisa when he finds out ukuthi akawuyena wakubo. Then lawo bantu labo boyi-2 belidwa uGcwabe. Like if you even saw on the recent episode, uGcwabe zama close noMusa trying ukuthi manipulate. I know ukuthi uMusa ngoba uyisidom, he'll be manipulated azame ngazo zonke indlela uthathe business from Uzwelakhe and kick Uzwelakhe out of everything. So as much as the lobola negotiations went well, I don't think ukuthi Uzwelakhe is out of the hook yet. I think ukuthi sazoba neyinkinga eziserious. But then let's celebrate the recent victory. Ukuthi wazi ukuthi akhokha amalobolo alobole manje unonkosikazi uzomsiza ukuthi alwe zonke lezi impilo that he's facing ahead. So comment down in the comment section, guys. Do share your thoughts about this. Also, if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel, subscribe, and also share the video on your Facebook, share it on your Twitter, share it on your Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.